Megapoxy PF is a two-component rapid-set epoxy paste adhesive for many types of bonding and filling applications. It is available in conveniently pre-packaged 1, 4 and 20-litre kits with a simple 1:1 mix ratio. Before you begin mixing, you'll need to ensure that all contact surfaces like metal, concrete and stone are clean and clear of oil, dust and any other surface contaminants. Concrete and stone surfaces should be prepared by grinding the surface and removing all the dust and debris. This helps ensure effective bonding contact. Compressed air can be used to remove dust from cracks and holes. Clean metal surfaces with acetone to remove any oils or contaminants. Megapoxy PF is VOC free. As with all epoxy resins, please wear appropriate PPE, including eyewear, gloves and clothing when mixing and applying the product.
Megapoxy PF is a creamy epoxy paste with little sag and a rapid setting time. It has a 3-minute work time with a 1-hour cure at 25 degrees. When mixing Megapoxy PF, mixing on a nice flat non-porous surface. Megapoxy PF is a 1:1 by volume product, so equal amounts of the part A and the part B. Part A is nice and white. We're mixing Megapoxy PF white today, so the part B is slightly off-white. This is also available in grey, so if you're mixing Megapoxy PF grey, the part B would be a dark grey. Making sure to mix only what's required in the 3-minute work time, as it is very rapid setting and it can go off quite quickly. Same height, same roundness of the A and the B. Once they're equal amounts, making sure to fold the part A and the part B over. Working together a little bit quicker than with our other paste products as it's so rapid setting. Making sure to scrape the base of the board. Working together till it's all nice and streak free. We would normally mix for 3 minutes, but just making sure that this one you're mixing a little bit quicker. Once the A and the B are combined and it's a nice creamy uniform colour, make sure to clean the scrapers, as it can be unmixed part A and part B on there as well. Work it back together again. Once uniform in colour with no streaks, it's ready to use.
Megapoxy PF is recommended for bonding, precast concrete, natural stone, bricks, ceramics and metals. It is ideal for filling and repair of concrete pipes and tanks, fiberglass, patching concrete floors, stairs, concrete columns and in situ formed concrete. Because it's rapid set, PF can be used in combination with Megapoxy PM to secure vertical articles while it cures. Applying Megapoxy PF to cracks and holes is easy and fast. And because it's low sag and rapid setting, PF is ideal for overhead or vertical surfaces. Uncured PF can be cleaned with thinners. It's rapid setting and will cure even in cold or damp conditions, stronger than concrete with good chemical resistance. Once cured, PF has a high compressive strength, but it can be ground, sanded and shaped easily with power tools to give a smooth surface finish. For more tips and the technical data sheet on this or any of our other world-class products, visit our website at megapoxy.com.